Nobody told me what actually happens right after applying Eroxon Gel. So I tested it myself, and what happened in the next 10 minutes honestly shocked me. Watch this before you even think about using Eroxon Gel. Today, I'm doing a real Eroxon Gel test. Not theory, not marketing, not fake reviews. This is what actually happens after you apply Eroxon Gel on real skin. If you're a man struggling with slow erections, weak erections, or performance anxiety, this test might just save you from months of frustration. So the first thing I noticed after applying Eroxon Gel is the texture. It's not sticky, it's not oily. It feels like a cool, soft gel. And within the first 60 seconds, you feel a cold sensation. That's the activation phase. Eroxon Gel uses a cooling, warming reaction that boosts blood flow almost instantly. This is where pills like Viagra can't compete, because pills take 30-40 minutes, but Eroxon starts its effect on contact. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the temperature changes. You go from cold to a gentle, warm feeling. This is the signal that blood vessels are opening up, and scientifically that's the moment when erection strength increases. And no, it doesn't burn. It doesn't irritate. It actually feels natural and controlled. At the 10-minute mark, this is where Eroxon Gel surprises you. Most users report faster erection, stronger erection, much better sensitivity, and less performance anxiety. That's exactly what I felt in this real test. It doesn't rely on hormones. It doesn't alter your heart rate like ED pills sometimes do. Look, Eroxon Gel is not a magic potion. It won't fix medical ED overnight, but for performance issues, weak blood flow, or stress-related ED, this gel works shockingly fast. If you want something that kicks in quicker than Viagra and doesn't require a prescription, Eroxon Gel is built exactly for that. So that was my real Eroxon Gel test, and honestly, the fast reaction surprised me more than anything. If you want me to compare this with Viagra, Cialis, or Vitaros cream, just comment below and I'll do the next real test. Stay tuned, because the truth about men's health is way more interesting than the marketing.